Yo, what's up guys? Today we're in another video trying to get Griff next year, so let's go into the first one. Gray, okay. Legendary, okay. My team's kinda good, like hockey more or less, that's a good skin. Okay. Dodging. Yes, nice kill. By the Amber, not me. Okay, Kaze. Where's the Kaze? So I need to oh, shoot. I need to. Oh, I gotta shred them.
Everything is fine.
I gotta shred them somehow. How do I shred them? If the Gray teleports on me, he's cooked. Yeah, he's actually cooked. If he teleports me on, he's cooked. How do I do that? Yeah, I was kind of bad super, but still, I'm gonna get back probably. I should win this, honestly. Shoot. Sir Kaze. You're dead. Yes! Okay. So that was good hyper. Jeez, man. There we go. And we won. We basically won. Yes! Nice! Nice game. Yes. Oh, shoot. This is not good. It is good, but it's not good at the same time. I got 900 trophies, which is good, but it's like exactly tier 46, which is not very good. So, let's go to the next one. Hopefully we don't lose. Okay. It's good. Oh, shoot. Okay, he has a... So we can actually, like... I just want to... This bonus needs to come here. Come here, the focus! We got shredded. Oh no, this is bad. There's a dog. And the thing is, he has a super, which is bad. Because that means he can revive. He can revive, which is bad. It's bad. No! No! How do we lose that, man? How do we lose that goal? Sad, but like, we can still technically do it. Hypercharge! What if I don't want to like kill Zero? Well, of course you're gonna have to kill Zero because he's dead now, almost. But why are you not going for the other people who's literally the most important? Because the dog is right here. Yeah, like... Yes, I know, but like... How does he have a super again? Is my problem with Pogo? Why is the other team? Oh my god. How did I get started? Come on.
Oh yeah, just keep
It's fine. It's fine.
I have just what you need. Let's do this. Everyone gets a 2% discount. That's coming out of your paycheck. Everything's for sale. That's coming out of your
No,
paycheck.
please. Ooh, how did I dodge those? Like, not dodge, but like, how did they not hit me? Okay, should I camp here or should I like... That was bad. Why did I pass it back? Oh, that was such a bad Superman. At least I killed the Leon somehow. How did I kill the Leon? No, did I use my super for the ball? Please don't tell me I used my super for the ball. Please. Yes, I didn't. I didn't use my super for the ball. That's good. That was a bad super. That was a really bad super. I didn't hit anyone with it, so I didn't get back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, man. We are not coming back with this. I know we're not. Oh. Oh. Oh, score, free score. Yes! If Hyper Super, so I shred their insanity.
Yeah, just
Wait a second.
don't worry.
Yes. No! No! Please tell me again that I please. Oh, okay. It's fine. I do solo shot on them. The dog, that's not very good. Oh, shoot, Edgar. No. Bad boy, Edgar. Bad boy. Actually, no, I can absolutely. No. Bad, Edgar. Bad dog. Do not jump on me. Do not jump on me. I'm staying out of his range. Yes, he got the power cube. There we go. I spinned because... No, please. Please. Don't kill me. Doug doesn't have super, that's good. That's a free kill for him. No. Bad. Bad boy. Bad Leon. I'm a good boy. He's a bad boy. So let's take this. And maybe this. Bro, how did he actually just like... How did a Pam steal my power cube? The bad thing is that... The bad thing about this is that the smoke's already in law. Look, see? And there's only 8 brawlers left, which is bad. Please no, Edgar. Please. Please no. Please. Please don't kill me. Yes, good, but not good. I might have feel like here. No, please no. Bro, this camper man. That Edgar was AFK, I swear it was. Don't. Yeah, you will regret that. You would regret that. I know you did. Now I have 3 power kids. That's not bad though. Okay. I need to kill this Mandy. Because she's not a good boy. Yeah, of course she's not. She's not good. This is good though. 8 brawlers left when Smoke's not in there. Okay, there's a shade there, which is not very good. These guys are both 4 power cubes. But if either one of them goes on me, they're absolutely cooked. No! Double kill. Oh my god. So that spectator is spectating me right now is unusual. Nice. Good boy. I absolutely cooked. Jesus. I know this Edgar's gonna want to jump on me. No. Yeah, shoot. Gotta somehow get this. Please. I need to kill you, please. Come here. There we go, bad. Okay.
Everything's for...
See you later, but like now he's in a YouTube video. Yeah, he's the cousin.
Business.
Okay, I know he's gonna have a super, but I'm... Like, oh, no, he has a super, I need to run. Please. He's gonna come and get me, right? Please. He has so little HP. I swear if he survives this. No, please. Bro had to use his like gadget. Please don't jump on me, man. He's gonna jump on me. No! 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 Come on, man. Get back to tier 46 and retire, and then we'll probably end the video though. So I gotta like kill this fight maybe? Should I engage? I don't know. No teaming! He doesn't want to kill me. I know he doesn't want to. Because I guess he likes Griff or something. I don't know. Bro doesn't know I was there. There we go. If he jumps on me, he's absolutely shredded. Okay, makes sense he would jump away. A lot of eggers that actually have a brain actually jump away from people who have a super ugly. Anyway, no, I think I might actually have to end the video now. Okay. Sad. Okay, that's the video. See ya in the next video.